Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I can't wait to hear all about it shortly. Today, for your schedule, you have Daily Language Review, Week 33. Please read and complete your nonfiction passage called Rocks. Please turn that question around. You've lunch and recess for 60 minutes. Then math, you're going to have a mini lesson with me this morning. Math 180, you're going to do day 141, and then you're going to do your brain pop video, the quadrilateral video. You also have gym today. Please make sure you get your gym assignment done. Don't forget to look online. Throw kindness around like confetti, or throw it around because it's someone's birthday. Did I mention it's mine? So today your daily language review looks like this. It is Monday of day 33. If you have not finished, please do so now. And we will go over in just a minute. All right, so to correct the sentences, Mr. Clark is a vet at the San Diego Zoo. Mr. needs to be capitalized with a period for the abbreviation. Clark should also be capitalized because it's a name. Is a vet at the San Diego Zoo. San Diego needs to be capitalized and zoo needs to be capitalized because it's the name of a place with a period at the end. You'd better hurry. The school bus is coming. Y needs to be capitalized. Apostrophe after you. Better hurry. The school bus is coming. Period. Write 2 words in the eat word family. That could be meat, beat, seat, any eat word you can come up with. Find the missing word. Let's play a game. Let us play a game. That would be with the apostrophe S for the contraction. Story goes to read. A song goes to sing, because you sing a song. Tally that up and let me know your score. When looking for your nonfiction passage, this is the one you were looking for. Remember to turn that question around and don't forget to do the vocabulary down here, matching the word to the pictures to the definitions. Math 180, you have day 141. If you have not completed this yet, please pause the video and we will wait for you to complete it to move on. All right, write the numeral 4 hundreds, 5 tens, and 2 ones. That number would be 452. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 5 plus 3 plus 4 is 12. What is 50 less than 67? 7 minus 0 is 7. 6 minus 5 is 1. Write the missing number. 90, 88, 86. It's going down by 2, so this would be 84. Name the shape. This shape is a trapezoid, one of your quadrilateral friends. Ray goes to a friend's house to play at 3 p.m. and comes home at 5 p.m. How long was he gone? 3 plus 2 is 5, so he's gone for 2 hours. How many more teeth were lost in February than in March? February there were 8 teeth lost. March there were 4, so there were 4 more teeth lost in February. Number 8. Write the number that has 7 in the hundreds place, 3 in the tens place, and 5 in the ones. That number is 735. Please tally up your score in a different color than you wrote in when you were solving the answers. Geometry, quadrilateral, join the quadrilateral club. It's 4 sides forever. In PE, look at your schedule for your assignment. It is posted on Schoology in the library course. Be sure to check that out today. Don't get too overwhelmed with the work. You can do your best. I miss you guys so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.